Good morning, all of you. So note. So this is division formula. So how to use division formula? So let y is equal to u by v. So u is the first function, v is the second function. So division formula, how to use division formula or quotient formula. So this implies dy by dx, dy by dx is defined as, so this is v square, so v into derivative of u du by dx minus u into derivative of v. Simple formula. See, if y is equal to u by v, what is the restriction? So v is not equal to 0. V is not equal to 0. Then dy by dx is defined as v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v by v square. So this is called as division formula or quotient formula. So how to find dy by dx if y is equal to u by v form? For example, if y is equal to sin x by x, if x is not equal to 0, then find dy by dx. If y is equal to sin x by x, x is not equal to 0, then find dy by dx. So y is equal to, this is u is equal to sin x, and what is v? V is equal to x, which for u by v for. So how to find dy by dx? So y is equal to sin x by x, x is not equal to 0, so dy by dx is equal to v square. What is v? V is x, so x whole square. Next v, so what is v? X into d by dx of sin x, derivative of sin x minus sin x into d by dx of x, derivative of x is equal to x into derivative of sin x is equal to cos of x minus sin x into derivative of x is 1 whole by s square whole by s square is equal to u minus v by, so a minus b by c. What is the formula? A by c minus b by c. So x s square. So result is so cos x by x minus sin x by x square minus sin x by x square. So this is dy by dx. If y is equal to sin x by x and x is not equal to 0, then determine dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to cos x by x minus sin x by x square. Next example, let f and g be two differentiable functions. We do differentiable functions. F is a differentiable function, G is a differentiable functions such that f of x by g of x is equal to 5. F of x by g of x is equal to 5 and f dash of x by g dash of x is equal to a derivative of f by derivative of g is equal to a and f of x by g of x whole derivative is equal to b. Fx by gx whole dash, that means derivative of f by g is equal to b. Then find a plus b by a minus b. Then find a plus b by a minus b. So what is given? F of x by g of x is equal to 5 by cross multiplication. Fx by gx is equal to 5 implies f of x is equal to 5 into g of x. F of x is equal to 5 into g of x. So take this is u and take this is v. If u is equal to v, then derivative of u is equal to derivative of v. Differentiating both sides, we get so f dash of x is equal to 5 is a constant into derivative of g. So this is d dash of x. Differentiating both sides, we get f dash of x is equal to 5 is a constant, take outside into g dash of x. So implies so f dash of x by g dash of x is equal to 5. F dash by g dash is equal to 5. So this is given as a, that is a is equal to 5. That is a is equal to 5. Again f of x by g of x is equal to 5. So this is a function, take as h of x. So derivative of left is equal to derivative of right. So let us differentiating both sides. So f of x by g of x whole dash is equal to 5 is a constant. So derivative of 5 d by dx of 5. So implies f of x by g of x whole dash is equal to, so 5 is a constant, so derivative of 5 is 0. So what is giving? So this is given as b. That is b is equal to 0. That is b is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 0. So thus, so what is the expression given? A plus b by a minus b is equal to, so what is the value of a? So 5 plus 0 by 5 minus 0. So what is the answer? So answer is 1. So a plus b by a minus b is equal to 1. A plus b by a minus b is equal to 1. if y is equal to log of 5b base x, if y is equal to log of 5 base x, then find dy by dx. If y is equal to log of 5 base x, then find dy by dx. So remember, what is the formula? What is this? If y is equal to log of a base b, if y is equal to log of a base b, so this can be expressed as ln of a by ln of b. Log of a base b is defined as log of a base b is defined as ln of a by ln of b. Ln means base is e. So here y is equal to, what is given? Y is equal to log of 5 base x. So this can be expressed as, so ln of 5 by ln of x. Ln of 5 by ln of x. So y is equal to which form? U by v form. So implies dy by dx, dy by dx. So this is u and take this is v, this is v. So what is formula? Ln of x whole square, ln x whole square, v. So ln of x into d by dx of ln of 5 minus ln of 5 into d by dx of ln of x. V derivative of u minus u into derivative of v. So is equal to ln of x into 5 is a constant, ln 5 is also a constant. So derivative of this is a constant value, ln 5 is a constant. So derivative of constant is 0. Derivative of constant is 0. Minus ln of 5 into derivative of ln x. What is the formula? 1 by x. Derivative of ln x, 1 by x by, what is the formula? Ln of x whole square, ln x whole square is equal to minus ln of 5 by minus ln 5 by x into ln of x whole square minus ln 5 by x into ln x whole square. So if y is equal to log of 5 base x, this is the formula. If y is equal to log of a base b, this can be expressed as ln of a by ln of b. Ln of a by ln of b. Next question, if f of x is equal to, if f of x is equal to, if f of x is equal to log of x base x, if fx is equal to log x base x, log of, here nothing is there means indirectly base is e. Nothing is there, that means base is e. Then find the f dash of e. That means f dash of x at x is equal to e. Then find f dash of x at x is equal to e. So now implies f dash of x. So this is what ln of f of x base x. What is the formula? So this can be expressed as, first we express like this: f of x is equal to what formula? Ln of log of x by ln of x. Log x base x. Suppose take this is a, take this is b. What is the formula? Ln of a by ln of b. Ln of a by ln of b. This is formula. Log of a base b is defined as ln of a by ln of b. Ln of a by ln of b. So now this is which form? So this is u and this is v. So this is quotient form or division form. Implies f dash of x, derivative of f is equal to f dash x is equal to v square. So what is v? So ln of x whole square v square. V, what is v? So ln of x into derivative of u. So d by dx of ln of log of x, ln of log x minus ln of log of x into d by dx of ln of x. D by dx of ln of x is equal to ln of x into log of f of x. What is the formula? 1 by f of x into derivative of f of x, ln of log x. What is formula? 1 by log of x into derivative of log x into d by dx of log x into derivative of log x minus ln of log of x into derivative of ln x. So this is 1 by x, this is 1 by x whole by ln of x whole square whole by ln x whole square. So this is equal to ln x. Now so d by dx of ln x and log means this is by default ln. So ln x is equal to, so derivative of log x is 1 by x minus what is there? 1 by x into ln of log of x, ln of log of x by ln of x whole square, ln of x whole square is equal to, what you have to take as common? So 1 by x take as common, 1 by x take as common. What is there? 1 minus ln of log of x, ln of log x by ln of x whole square, ln of x whole square. So implies, so this is f dash x. What you have to find? F dash x at x is equal to e. So now f dash e, f dash and e. So at x is equal to e, put at x is equal to e. What is the formula? 1 by e whole into 1 minus ln of log of e, ln of log e by ln of e whole square, ln of e whole square. Ln of e is always 1. That means log of e means ln of e. This result is 1. This is ln of e is equal to 1. Put here 1. Put here 1. What is the result? 1 by e whole into 1 minus ln of 1. 1 minus ln of 1 by this result is 1. 1 square is 1 is equal to 1 by e whole into 1 minus ln of 1 again. Ln of 1 is always 0. Log of 1, what is the result? So log of 1 is 0. So this result is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 into 1 by e, what is the result? So answer is 1 by e. So f dash of e is equal to 1 by e. F dash of e is equal to 1 by e. Next, if f of x is equal to ln of x, if fx is equal to ln of x plus ln of x square plus ln of x cube plus ln of x to the power 20. If fx is equal to ln of x plus ln of x square plus plus ln of x to the power 20, then find f dash of x, then find f dash of x, then find f dash of x. So now you can solve this problem. Any method you can solve it. In your own choice you have to solve that problem. So one formula, ln of a plus ln of b. So this can be expressed as ln of a into b. Ln of a plus ln of b. So this can be expressed as ln of a into b. Similarly, ln of a plus ln of b plus ln of c. This can be expressed as ln of a into b into c. This is the general formula. Ln of a plus ln of b is equal to ln of b. Similarly, ln of a plus ln of b plus ln of c is equal to ln of a into b into c. So now we use this formula. Ln of x, so ln of x into x square into x cube into into x to the power 20. Ln of x into x square into x cube x to the power 20. X means x to the power 1. Again, ln of x to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 20. Ln of x to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 20 is equal to ln of x to the power 1 to n. What is the formula? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus n. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. So 20 into 20 plus 1 by 2. 20 into 20 plus 1 by 2 is equal to ln of x to the power 210. X to the power 210. Again, ln of x to the power m. This can be expressed as ln of x to the power m. This can be expressed as m into ln of x. ln of x to the power m is defined as m into ln of x. So this can be expressed as 210 into ln of x. So indirectly, what is f of x? So f of x is equal to 210 into ln of x. 210 into ln of x implies. So what is f dash of x? So 210 is a constant. 210 into d by dx of ln of x is equal to 210 into derivative of ln x is 1 by x. So that is 210 by x. What is the answer? F dash x is equal to 210 by x. F dash x is equal to 210 by x. Similarly, this can be solved in your own choice. This can be, again directly you have to prove like this, or is equal to ln of x plus ln of x square. Apply this formula. Apply this formula. What is there? So 2 into ln of x plus ln of x cube. Apply this formula. What is that? 3 into ln of x plus dot 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 20 into ln of x 20 into ln of x. So ln x plus 2 into ln x plus 3 into ln x dot 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 plus 20 into ln x is equal to, so take ln x as common. What is there? Here 1 plus what is there? 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus 20. 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 20 is equal to 1 plus 20 sum. What is the formula? 20 into 20 plus 1 by 2 into ln of x is equal to 210 into ln of x. 210 into ln of x. Then f of x is equal to 210 into ln of x implies. So what is f dash of x is equal to 210 into derivative of ln x is 1 by x. Derivative of ln x is 1 by x. What is the answer? 210 by x. 210 by x. If you not solve like this, you can solve directly. F dash of x, f dash of x. ln x, what is the formula? 1 by x. 1 by x. ln of x square, what is the formula? 1 by x square into derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x plus ln of x cube, what is the formula? 1 by x cube into derivative of x cube 3 into x square 3 into x square plus dot 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 plus ln of x to the power 20 1 by x to the power 20 into derivative of x to the power 20. So 20 into x to the power 19. 20 into x to the power 19 is equal to 1 by x plus x and x plus 2 by x plus x square x cube again 3 by x plus dot 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 plus here 19 power 20. What is the result? 20 by x is equal to 1 by x take as a common. 1 by x take as a common. What is the result? 1 plus 2 dot 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 plus 20, 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 20 is equal to 1 by x into 210, 1 by x into 210. You can solve in your own choice. You can solve in your own choice. Again, if f of x is equal to, if fx is equal to square root of, if fx is equal to positive square root of x square minus 2x plus 1, if fx is equal to positive square root of x square minus 2x plus 1 for all x belongs to closed interval 0 to 2. For all x belongs to closed interval 0 to 2. Then find f dash at x is equal to 1. That means find f dash of 1. Fx is given for all x. This is the domain. What is that domain? X belongs to closed interval 0 to 2. Then find f dash of x. Then find f dash of x at x is equal to 1. F dash x at x is equal to 1. So now, so this can be expressed as square root of x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square. So this can be expressed as square and root. What is that result? Modulus of x minus 1. So this can be expressed as, this is formula modulus of x. What is modulus of x? So modulus of x is x. If x is greater than equal to 0, modulus of x is x. If x is greater than equal to 0, and modulus of x is equal to minus x if x is less than 0. Modulus of x is equal to minus x if x is less than 0. So here, so take this is take as x. What is that result? X minus 1 if x minus 1 is greater than equal to 0, minus of x minus 1 if x is x minus 1 is less than 0. That is x minus 1 if x is greater than equal to 1, 1 minus x if x is less than 1. If x is less than 1, that means what is f of x? F of x is equal to x minus 1 if x is greater than 1 or x is equal to 1. F of x is equal to 1 minus x if x is less than 1. So we have to find the derivative of f at x is equal to 1. So first calculate left hand derivative, So f dash 1 minus means this is the function. So what is its derivative? Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative, that means d by dx of 1 minus x. So derivative of 1 is 0 minus derivative of x is equal to minus 1. So left hand derivative is minus 1. Similarly, what is right hand derivative is equal to f dash 1 plus is equal to d by dx of 1 plus, this is the function greater than 1. What is the function? X minus 1. So what is its derivative? 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So left hand derivative is minus 1, right hand derivative is 1. So left hand derivative is not equal to right hand derivative implies f dash at 1 does not exist. Does not exist. So f dash at x is equal to 1 does not exist. Thank you.